next up is Crumb Collector for Lab Rat and Buyer of Untold Truth for Turncoat. In this, we need to retrieve medical records and return them back to either one. This is once again another choice quest, either headed into Turncoat or Lab Rat, depending which one you want more XP with. Essentially, you'll be heading all the way across to the far east side of the map, over here in Tiger Bay, finding your way all the way down or up. Up is probably a bit easier. Zooming in all the way over here at the UNLRA refugee camp, all the way in the far south, you'll find these two little tents over here. What you need to do is find your way down to them, and inside of the right one over here, which is on the far west side, they look like this. You'll need to come and have a look on the table over here and pick up the document that is on the table. That is the one that you need to take back, and that'll complete either one of these two quests, depending on which one you want to make more progress with. Anyways, I barely survived there, so hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.